Good morning, you guys. So it's Sunday morning and I'm up early. It's about, well, I got up about 7 and it's 8:20 now. And I'm about to prepare this roast that I have here. I bought this roast and I said I'm going to make this for Sunday dinner. It's a chuck roast and, it's marbled with the fat. I love it like that. So what I'm going to do is clean this off really, really good. And then I'm going to sear it on both sides in my skillet with olive oil and seasonings. And then I'm going to put all these goodies. I have some red potatoes cut up. I have some celery. And I have some carrots and onions. We love onions in this house, guys. And I'm going to put all this together and I'm going to throw it right here in my crock pot. And we're going to see what it do. I have a package of savory pot roast seasoning. I'm going to throw this in there. And I'm going to throw a pack of brown gravy with maybe some chicken stock or beef stock, whichever one I have in my cabinet. And I'm going to put it all together, and this is going to be a part of our Sunday dinner, guys. My grandkids are still here. They're still sleeping. Hubby's up doing something. I don't know what he's doing. But I'm going to show you how I put this all together and put it in the crock pot. Once again, guys, I think I mentioned before, I like to cook. I don't love to cook. And so I'm going to just throw this all together and throw it in the crock pot and let it do what it do. So I don't want to show myself, guys, because I took my braids out and I'm going to shampoo my hair. I'm trying to get all of this done before the grandkids wake up. So you know what? I love you guys so much. I'm going to just show you a glimpse of me. Just what I look like this morning, guys. This is me, guys. I'm doing my hair, so there you go, guys. So let me just throw this all together, and then I'll get back. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. I got my roast all cleaned up. I'm just putting a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Okay? So I can sear this roast on both sides. Just to lock in the juices. And this is the roast. Okay? My hands are washed. This is the roast. I'm going to season it. I hope you guys can see that. Okay? I'm going to season it with some onion powder. Once again, I told you guys we love onions. So a little bit of onion powder. And I have some roasted garlic here. We love garlic. Some roasted garlic. Get that all up in there. And then I'm going to just put some, I usually use the Mrs. Dash. But this stuff right here, I like this too. This is roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt. I really, really like this stuff. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on here too. And you guys, high blood pressure is not a joke. So, yeah. I do have high blood pressure. And I gotta watch myself. Gotta watch myself. Put some black pepper. I love black pepper, guys. I'll put this stuff on everything, including my salads. I love black pepper. So yeah. And I usually get the cracked black pepper. So yep. And I'm going to do each side the same way. Okay. Okay, guys. The grease is hot. I'm going to put it in. Okay. Then I'm going to sear each side for a few minutes. Okay guys, see how it's nice and seared on this side? I'm going to get the other side just the same way. And that's just to lock in the juices, you know, so when it's in the crock pot cooking, okay, it won't lose all its juices, okay? Okay, everybody, so I got that together, and I put a little bit of seasoning, complete seasoning on the potatoes, a little bit on the onions too. And I'm going to throw maybe 3 bay leaves in this too, okay? So I just take everything, and on the bottom I start with onions. I start with onions on the bottom. And it's just a little bit of olive oil in there. Just a little bit. I'll start with the onions on the bottom just so the roast won't sit directly on the bottom. Okay? I'm going to put a little bit of celery in there too. And we like our vegetables like cut big. Like big. You know, so you'll be able to taste them. Okay? Then I take my roast, isn't that pretty? And I just put it in there. And I just stick her down in there. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is take the savory pot roast packet. And I'm going to just sprinkle this right on in there. Mostly on the sides. Okay? Once that's all in there, then I'll take the rest of my vegetables. I got the carrots. I'm going to put them on the side. Hubby loves carrots, so throw those on the side. A little bit more onions. A little bit more celery. Now I'm going to just take the potatoes and put them on the side. You don't need all of them. I know this looks like a lot, guys, but it cooks down. Trust. It does. It cooks down. You guys probably like, ooh, she putting all those onions. Huh. We love onions. My daughter, she loves onions too. And my daughter Jasmine, and she, when she makes tacos, she says, Mom, cut up some onions, really small, and put them on top. And I was like, okay. I tried it, and there it is. Okay, guys, so I have both. I have beef stock and chicken stock. I have beef broth, and I have some chicken. I think I'm gonna go with chicken, just to give it a different flavor. I'm not gonna put much of this, only because the roast is gonna make its own juices. So my bay leaves, I'm just gonna stick about maybe 3 or 4, just around the bottom, just around the side. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it. Now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on low, and we're going to let this cook for about 5 hours. So I put it on about what time was it, guys? It was maybe about 8:45 this morning, and there it is. It's like 5:30 right now. So it cooked for about what, 7 hours on low. So everything is there, looking so good. The potato, remember I put the bay leaves there, guys. I gotta take the bay leaves out too. So but yeah, the meat is so tender, you can break it with this spoon. Look at there, guys. Look at that. Look at the potatoes and the carrots. So yeah, this is our roast for our Sunday dinner, and looks delicious. Thanks for watching, guys.